They say if you want to be happy for a day, get drunk. If you want to be happy for a year, get married. But if you want to be happy for a lifetime, they say plant a garden around your home. Well, today I'm at a place where that lifetime happiness has already been planted in the form of over 2 lakh plus trees and plants. वेलकम टू कर्मा लेक लैंड्स, जहां आपके नेबर्स सिर्फ लोग और बिल्डिंग्स नहीं होंगे। यहां आपके असली नेबर्स होंगे 5 lush green forests, each with its unique charm and of course these beautiful souls. This paradise, 270 acres in Gurugram, isn't just a place to live. It's a statement. It's a statement that true luxury means living responsibly and beautifully. Hello everybody, Namaskar. मैं हूं तरुण आरन and I welcome you all to your very trusted real estate partner Fortune 09 Estates. At Fortune 09 Estates, we believe in our motive, people before profit. That's how we bring safe and secure properties for you. Look at this place. It's pure magical. जब दुनिया deforestation की तरफ बढ़ रही है, global warming बढ़ रहा है, AQI डेंजरस लेवल्स क्रॉस कर रहा है और समर हीट्स और भी ज़्यादा अनबेरेबल होती जा रही हैं, वहीं हम एट कर्मा लेक लैंड्स एफॉरेस्टेशन की एक कहानी लिख रहे हैं। एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, यहाँ पे आपको माइग्रेटेड बर्ड्स, ब्यूटीफुल एनिमल्स और अभी लाइव शूट करते हुए आई कैन स्पॉट दी नील गाय। कैन यू जस्ट इमेजिन?
एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, यहाँ का गोल्फ कोर्स भी पेस्टिसाइड्स फ्री है, जहाँ सिर्फ नेचुरल मैन्योर लाइक काउ डंग का यूज़ होता है। और वाइल्ड लाइफ के हैबिटेट को सेफ रखने के लिए यहाँ नो होंकिंग जोन है और स्मोकिंग के लिए भी एक डेडिकेटेड स्पेस बनाया गया है। दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट लग्जरी, दिस इज़ लिविंग रिस्पॉन्सिबली।
Where the AQI feels 30 to 40% better, where the summer heats feels 3 to 4 degree cooler as compared to the city. Welcome to Shobha Aranya, Karma Lake Lands, Sector 80, Gurugram.
आरण्या का मतलब है द क्वीन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट। शोभा अरण्या इज द प्रोजेक्ट जहां आपको ये 270 एकर्स ऑफ कर्मा लेक लैंड्स तो मिलता ही है, बट ऑल्सो द एक्सेप्शनल डिजाइन लैंग्वेज ऑफ शोभा। फॉर इंस्टेंस, फेज 1 कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 magnificent towers in 14 acres and with just 524 residences and a 5-star entrance lobby to mark your elegance. A self-sustained ground plus 2-story clubhouse with uninterrupted 360-degree views. पोजेशन टाइमलाइन की बात करें तो 2030 में इसका पोजेशन है, where less noise means more life.
A home close to Delhi yet far away from urban chaos. Here you breathe pure, live green and enjoy the organic farm to plate food at your doorstep. Here you get 3 and 4 bed eco-lux residence at Shobha Aranya. If I talk about the sizes, here 3 bedroom of 2800 square feet start at rupees 7.80 CR and 4 BHK of approx to 3400 square feet. And believe you me, this may be the last golf course living property in the vicinity. क्योंकि ऐसे बड़े लैंड पैचेस मिलना of 270 acres are tough and you know that. This is a beautiful collaboration between two visionaries. One, the real estate legend Mr. PNC Menon, the founder of Shobha Limited, and the other who have set up this beautiful 270 acres of greenery and golf course on the base of eco-friendly and sustainable living, the one and only Mr. Ashwani Khurana, the founder and CEO of Karma Lake Lands. And not just that, here you enjoy 5 restaurants like Under the Neem, Karma Shallots, Pizza Bay, etc. etc. You can come here with your friends and families on your weekends and enjoy the Karma Lakelands offerings. Now that was the Karma Lakelands for you, the eco-friendly and sustainable living in Gurugram.
And now, let's take you inside the Shobha Aranya Experience office, where we sat down with Mr. Raghavendra Khurana. We asked the real questions: who is buying here, what kind of community is forming, and of course, details about the exclusive golf course membership. So, come along.
Here I welcome Mr. Raghavendra Khurana from Shobha Aranya. Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm very well, Tarun. First of all, a very warm welcome to you in Shobha Aranya at Karma Lakelands.
Thank you.
And now, as you have taken the entire show around of the property, I would love to ask you, how did you find the campus?
Well, thank you. It's really a pleasure being here and working with Shobha. First of all, as always, I'm a big fan of Shobha and the vision of Mr. Menon.
We are glad.
And yes, the property is quite mesmerizing. Of course, I wasn't expecting some, wildlife and the migrated birds. And you won't believe I spot fox as well as we spotted the nilgai
That's amazing.
and some peacocks. Here I can feel ki literally the weather is quite good, quite
Yes.
cool
Yes.
than the city जो humid होती है because of the greenery.
So this is because of the plants which Mr. Khurana have planted, this much of greenery. They have planted more than 2 lakh trees in the vicinity.
Yeah, I've read.
This kind of visionary person who have lots and lots of affection towards the nature is amazing.
Absolutely, I can feel that. For my viewers, I have few questions जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा.
बिल्कुल.
And my first question would be like, this is a type of community, the one of a kind community.
Yes.
Who all are buying here?
Sure. So I'll answer that question. Basically, I'll start from the 1% club. We are getting the 1% club, wherein we have HNIs, ultra HNIs, all the C-suits, CEOs, CFOs of the company, doctors, lots of NRIs are buying because it is very rare to find this beautiful campus of 270 acres.
Absolutely.
With dedicated forest zone, 73 acre of golf course.
But as an investor, why one should come here and invest approx 7-8 CR, the starting range of 3 bedroom? How do you see the investor getting money or appreciation from this?
Sure. So basically, if you'll see in real estate, whether it's commercial or residential, if a project have given you appreciation, there must be an infrastructure growth story, Tarun.
Right.
Now, what is happening in the vicinity of my project is, Global City coming in,
Right.
then Cyber City 2 coming in.
Absolutely.
Fortune 500 companies are planning to set their global center. Already Air India is there, American Express is there, and BMW is there. Then in 25,000 acre of Aravallis, government is planning to put few of crores in 10,000 acres, and they are making a jungle safari. Now all this infrastructure growth is happening in my vicinity. I'll be having the appreciation for that. Now comes the exclusivity of the project.
Right.
This is going to be the last golf course project in Delhi NCR. Now I'll tell you the reason why.
Right.
Because it is very difficult to buy this much of land parcel. The
100%.
land prices are so much high right now. No one is going to buy this much of land parcel. Let's just consider if a developer already have this much of land parcel, they'll make sure to have township or to construct towers in every corner of the land.
And sorry to interrupt, when the possession is expected, like when you
So according to RERA, it is end of 2030.
So अभी हम golf course की बातें कर रहे हैं जब से golf course properties. If my investor or my end user wants to buy the property in Shobha Aranya,
Yes.
so यहाँ golf course membership और मतलब what sort of process is this?
So I'll start with the golf course. We have 9-hole award-winning golf course.
Yep.
Right. Recently we have added the 10th hole. which is our signature hole, and it's in the shape of map of Bharat. If they want to play golf, now they have to take membership.
Okay.
It's on chargeable basis. Karma charges some amount on
Okay.
it. And obviously, we're getting few percentage of discounts at Shobha Aranya Residence also.
राइट वेल आई होप कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको मिस्टर राघवेंद्र जी से मिल गए होंगे एंड डेफिनेटली प्रॉपर्टी इज़ मस्ट बाय और यू कैन कम इन पर्सन एंड जो चीज़ मैंने यहाँ ऑब्जर्व की फील की यू कैन कम एंड लिव दैट मोमेंट हेयर एज वेल टुगेदर वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट द नेचर एंड give a home for our next generation which they can proudly call a home. So that was the listing by Fortune 09. I am Tarun Aaron. I hope आपको ये property tour अच्छा लगा होगा. And if you are planning to visit this exclusive listing, you can plan your visit with Fortune 09 today. And yes, here the visits are only by invite, so that we will work out for you. You can simply type interested शोभा गुड़गांव और हम आपके साथ सारी डिटेल्स शेयर कर देंगे एंड आवर टीम विल असिस्ट यू विद एवरीथिंग यू वुड नीड. अगर आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी टूर अच्छा लगा हो सो मेक श्योर यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल Fortune 09 Estates. थैंक यू, नमस्कार, हैव अ गुड डे.